Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial of how to join Marvel Rival Discord channel. It's a very simple method. So first of all, you have to open Discord on your PC. After opening, you will find an option called Discover. Press Discover, and after that, on the top right, there will be option of search. And search there, uh, Marvel Rivals. So here you go. The first channel which appears is the channel of Marvel Rivals. Click on the Marvel Rivals channel. On the top you can see there is option join Marvel Rivals. Click join, verify your status, and here you go. You have joined the server of Marvel Rivals. Thank you for watching the video.